Hello friends, I am KUTSN from Milind Vidyalay, Powai. In this video, we are going to learn 10th standard geometry, unit similarity and subunit the ratio of areas of two triangle. The ratio of areas of two triangle. First, we discuss about the concept ratio. In previous standard, we have already studied the ratio. The ratio means ratio and proportion means the numbers A and B are in the ratio m upon n. Is also written the numbers A and B are in the proportion m as to n. Next concept, area. We know the formula area of triangle. The area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Okay, let's start the property. Ratio of areas of two triangles. First, in a triangle ABC, segment AB perpendicular to side BC. Therefore, AD is the height and segment BC is the base. In the next triangle, in a triangle PQR, segment PS perpendicular to side QR. Therefore, segment PS is the height and side QR is the base. In triangle ABC, AD is the height and BC is the base. In triangle PQR, PS is the height and QR is the base. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. It is a ratio of two triangles is equal to 1/2 into the ratio. The area of triangle 1/2 into base into height. Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 base BC into height AD divided by 1/2 base of the triangle PQR QR into height of triangle PQR PS is equal to 1/2 cancel to each other, remaining BC into AD upon QR into PS means the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. It is first property. This property can be written by using symbols. Suppose A1 and A2 are the areas of two triangles. B1, the base of the triangle base of triangle is B1 and height B2. The base of another triangle is B2 and height is H2. Means A1 upon A2, the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of base and its corresponding heights. Means A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Is that clear? the ratio of areas of two triangles are depend upon base as well as height. There are two conditions. Suppose height of both triangles are same. Condition first, if heights of triangles are same, then if heights of both triangles are same, then suppose height h means the height of triangle ABC and the height of triangle PQR are same, then ratio of areas of two triangle, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of base and corresponding height, means BC into H, the base into height upon base QR into height H1. H is the same, therefore BC upon QR means the ratio of areas of two triangle with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding base. This property can be write by using symbols. If H1 is equal to H2, then A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Second condition, condition second, if base of both triangles are same, then if base of both triangles are same, then suppose in a triangle ABC and a triangle BEF, in a triangle ABC and a triangle BEC, the height of both triangle AD, height of triangle ABC is AD and height of triangle BEC is EF, and the base of both triangles are same, then ratio of areas of two triangle, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BEC is equal to the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Base BC into corresponding height AD divided by the base of triangle BEC is a BC into height EF. BC and BC cancel to each other, then remaining AD upon EF means the ratio of areas of two triangle with equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. This property write by using symbols. If B1 is equal to B2, then A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. Means first property, the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Second property, if the height of both triangles are same, the ratio of areas of two triangle with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. If the base of both triangles are same, then the ratio of areas of two triangle with equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. If base and height both are same, then areas of two triangles are same. Okay. Uh, with the help of above property, we can solve practice set 1.1. If you like this video, please share it.